In this part, we will show you how to have a conversation with your documents. So go to conversation, and then you can see here in which area is the system using. In this case, it's my personal documents. Then you select an assistant. The assistant is your bot that will help you get a better result. So depending on what aspect of your documents you want to look at, please choose the respective assistant. Then you enter the question and the system will give you back an answer. It's important when doing prompts or questions that you use language. It's a language model that will support this functionalities here. So also use language to describe your questions. As you can see, it's quite detailed and the system will actually use the document that you have uploaded. Now there are different methods to do this. You can now switch to, for example, your company documents, and you can switch to a different type of assistant because you'd like to have a different perspective on your documents. So here again, you can see the company documents are selected and you can now start the questioning. In this case, we'd like to know more about the requirements for off-airport landings. As you can see, we will use keywords that are important and used also in EASA regulation and in your documents. That will help you to get a better result. Again, the system is collecting the data and it gives you back the answer. Now also it's important to understand that the system will look at the entirety of the documents because you have selected all the documents from your company. This will mean that it will not be an exact copy of your chapter, but it will give you back feedback and including additional material, for example, wind considerations that are in a separate chapter. In order to get and improve the system, we would like to ask you to give us feedback. So you can switch positive or negative, and then you can give us a feedback, and we can then start to make the system better and more relevant to you. Now, you can also select to just chat with individual documents. So here you have a list of all the documents that you have uploaded and are available. In this case, we will have a look at the OMM. And here we would like to ask some safety specific questions. Again, switch your assistant and now you can start a conversation with your OMM with a focus on safety relevant aspects. Again, it's important that you use keywords that are from the safety area. This will help you to make the questions and answering more relevant to you. Again, the system will start to give you back an answer. And whenever you would like to have more details, you can then ask, please give me more information on a keyword. For example, evaluate risk. And then the system will give you a more detailed answer because it understands where you are right now and it will reference to already answers that have already been given. So this is the basic ways how you can interact and have a conversation with your documents.